In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add SSL security and favicon to your Shorby website. To begin, go to cloudflare.com. Enter your email address and password to create an account. We are going to add our website. Add the domain you want to use with Shorby. Select the free plan. Now click on Confirm Plan. It shows a summary of some information about your domain settings. Now click on Continue. Now take note of these name servers. You need to add them in your registrar DNS settings in the Custom Name Server area. Add Name Server 1 and Name Server 2 from Cloudflare here. Go back to Cloudflare. Go to the DNS tab. Add a record for yourdomain.com and a record for www, pointing to 142.93.172.24, and make sure proxied is enabled. Wait for the settings to take effect. Your Shorby custom domain should now have a SSL security certificate. To add the favicon, go to Apps and search for favicon. Install it and click on Edit. Add your favicon image.